Good evening, friends. Today I will show you another interesting method of multiplication, that too with the help of matrix method. This is very useful and very fast calculating method. If you follow me, you will be more interested in applying it in your real life. So let me show you with some example. Okay. Let's say we have to multiply the two digit 23 cross 32. So in conventional method you know how to do it, but for me, if I take the example with the help of matrix, I will draw a this kind of square or rectangle is as per the requirement of the number of digits in number. So as it is 23 cos 32, by seeing it you can understand automatically the arm would be of square kind of thing. So I will divide it in four parts. Okay, as because 1 2 3 4 four numbers are there, four digits are there including the two numbers. So I will divide it in four parts. Then after I will divide it in diagonally, further to in pairs. All each square I will divide it in two parts with a diagonal. Again I will put this number 1 on each cell. Means 23 I will keep this way. The first cell I will keep on the top, and 3 will keep on the second cell. And the same way 32 I will put 3 here and 2 here. It can be reverse. There is that doesn't matter. You can put it in the opposite way also. You can put 3 2 here, 23. The result will come the same. So now also the first you multiply 2 cross 3, so it will come 6. So as because these are having two cells, so this complete cell I will put the number like that, 0 here and 6 here. 0 will I will as because it is a single digit number, I will put second place 0. Similar way 2 cross 2 if I multiply I will get 4, so I will put it like that. Okay, similarly for this cell this will come and it will be multiplied with 3. 3 cross 3 it is 0 9, and for the last cell it will come 3 into 2 is 0 6. Okay, so can you follow me? Is it okay for you? So I am explaining again. For first cell it will be a combination of this cross this. For second cell, top and left top bottom, 2 into 2 this will come here. For right top 3 cos 3. Okay, and for last bottom means second bottom it will be 3 cross 2. Result will be like that. Now I will strike this number with some kind of some pattern. You just follow it. I will strike it diagonally. Okay, I will try to cut the number diagonally. Okay, so whichever will the number cut by a single line, I have to calculate those number together. So starting from the bottom, these are having one number being struck by the line, so the number will come 6 here. As because these are three numbers together striking by this number this line, so all together the sum will be 9 plus 0 9 plus 4, so it is coming 13. So 1 will be carried over the next digit, as you know that multiplication follows the same rule. So 0 plus 6 plus 0 it will come 6, and the carryover 1 it will be summed up with the number and it will become 7. Here you are not getting anything, so as 0 keeping here on the left hand side 0 doesn't have any meaning, so I am not keeping it. So result will be 736. Okay, so I will show you some more examples so that it will become more easier to understand. Now I will take 2 digit cross, let's say 3 digit 321. So how will I do that? Okay, so for that, as because this is 3 digit number, the number is consists of 3 digit, though this way the length of the arm will be bigger, this way it will be smaller, so it will be a rectangle. Now how will I divide that? I will divide it in 3 parts, and the horizontally I will divide it in 2 parts. So again I will divide each cell in 2 segment, that is a by a diagonal for each cell. Now I will put the number as I put in last math. Okay, so up to this you may understand. Now the calculation part, 3 cross 1 it will come here, 3 cross 2 it will come here, 2 cross 1 it will come here, 2 cross 2 it will come here, 1 cross 1 it will come here, 1 cross 2 it will come here. Now I will strike with a diagonal. Small faint line I am drawing so that it won't give you much disturbance to understand the whole math. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines, as because that if I cut the diagonals it will be a 5 segment. So here starting with the last digit it is 2, here 1 plus 0 plus 4 it is 5, here 0 plus 2 plus 0 plus 2 it gives you 4, 0 plus 3 plus 0 it gives you 3, and it is 0, so it doesn't have any meaning, so result will be this one. Understood? So I will leave here with some more sum for you so that you can practice at home. So for you I am giving a more easier sum. You can go with 12 into 21, and second one 105 cross, let's say 10. So these are the two sums you can practice at home, or if you wish you can take your own example and practice more at home, so that it will be easier and you can grab it more faster to use it in your daily life, daily mathematics. Okay, so now I will come with some few more sums. So the first sums that I will explain is, it says there are two digits 9, 7, and this digit this number, I'm sorry, that there are two numbers. First number consists of 3 digits, the last digit is missing, another one, and the other one is that also missing. There are two numbers which are this having last digit is missing. Here the first digit is missing. This is a 2-digit number. So condition is that the difference between this missing digits would be 7. That means difference between the missing digits, let's say this is number 1 and number 2. The missing digits number 1 and number 2 is 7. These are the missing digits, difference is 7. Okay, and the second, and this is the condition 1, this is the only condition, and later on once you calculate and you find out the number, you have to calculate the greatest number. That means after getting the number missing digits, you have to calculate the greatest number divided by the smallest number. The smaller number means greater number to the smaller, not the greatest, greater number to the smaller number, the maximum. Here you have to get maximum which one, maximum remainder. You have to get maximum remainder. Okay, remainder. Okay, so condition is that these are two numbers which are having one digit missing. The difference between the digits, missing digits, is 7. Once you will find the number, you have to calculate the maximum remainder while I am dividing the greater number by the smaller number. This is the requirement. So how will I find that? So first thing, for the solution I can say first thing, as because this is a number and this carries only the single digit number, by seeing this you can say the first condition you can establish easily. The missing digits must be single digit number, single digit. Okay, So this is the first thing. You can easily say that missing digit is a single digit number. Then if that implies, then you can say the only possible single digit number within which the difference would be 7, the pair could be 9 and 2 and 8 and 1 for single digits, and 7 and 0. 7 and 0 also may come. These are the possibilities. But this 7 and 0 cannot implies, as because if I take 0 here, that doesn't have any meaning, means it's a 0. 0 cannot be considered as a number. For this case, if I whatever I will get here, if I divide it by 0, I will not reach anywhere. It is a undefined number. Something divided by 0 is undefined. So these possibilities or this combination cannot be accepted. So I can erase it right now. Okay. So out of this, anything can be possible. So now I if I put this pair first, so let's see what should I get. So if I put the first combination, I will get the number this and the other number 20. Okay, so first combination is 9 and 2, where the difference is 7. So if I divide it by 20, so remainder I will get for this 4 times 80, that means 119. That means with the 20 I can divide it by 5 maximum, and I'll get 19 remainder. Okay, so 19 will be the remainder. It's okay? No, not 14. This is 20, 24, 1, how much? 80. That means 179. No, not 45 exactly. It is 6, 8. Sorry, 8. So if I do it, 48 will be the your quotient, and your 19 will be the remainder that I will get. If I take another pair, so the number would come 9, 7, 8 and 10. So here, if you see, it is very easy to divide. So the maximum I will get 970, 97 as a quotient, and 8 as remainder. Okay. So if I take if I analyze the results, here I am getting 19 as a remainder, here I am getting 8 as a remainder. So as per requirement, we should get the maximum remainder while I divide the pair of number by choosing the required pair where the difference is 7. So this will be the right choice for us, where I will get the maximum remainder. So our answer would be 19. Our requirement is what is the maximum remainder I will get after dividing the greater number to the smaller number. So our answer should be 19. This is our requirement. Okay. So this for now. Okay. Tomorrow I will come with a more number of sums, and I will explain it together. Before that, I will show you the solution that I have given as an task for you to practice at home. Okay. Thank you for now. Bye. Good night.